Out here today at the JB compound, we got the reigning champion from 2014, last year, and he's at the we're racing Goon Cross out here today.
Yeah, man, I'm supposed to do the Supercross, but I had to get a fingernail transplant, so I was out for a few months. But we're ready to go here today.
All right,
I'm about to throw down some fast laps. You guys might want to back up a little bit.
I'll back up.
I'm not sure if y'all can handle what I'm putting down right now. My pinky toe. My pinky toe. Oh. I think I broke my pinky toe.
There's a little bit of sand on your dirt bike.
Oh, there's no sand there. What the hell are you looking at? Oh, she's still in gear here.
You got to start it up when it's in second gear. Put that in second gear. Yeah, now start it.
Third gear, why not? Oh, it ain't starting in third gear. Hold on, I'll put it down.
First.
Hold up. You all good? Oh. I'm so sorry, guys. I smell a little bit of gas here. Hey, guys, I apologize, man. I'm just not on my game today. Hey. I think it's in my third gear. Oh shit!
You don't want those.
What the hell is this doing in my track? What the hell? Oh, dang. Oh, that's all, folks. Then I just blew that motor up.
Darn it.
I'll see y'all later.
All right.